guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe to our channel below and join our family. So as you might have read by the title, today we are going to do a challenge that is recreating looks of actors or actresses from Hollywood or Bollywood movies.
Hey you guys, so I'll be recreating Geet from Jab We Met. I have similar clothes as of her, so I'll be showing you my clothes. Here I have my school shirt, a black sando and a red skirt. No, I'm using Scratch to recreate something really creative. Let's see how it turns out to be, and I'll catch you guys when I'm done with my hair and my makeup. So yeah. I'm done recreating Geet from Jab We Met, and the reason why I chose this character was because I truly connect with that character, and the way she is, the way she portrays her life, the way she enjoys her life, it is exactly the same I am, because I love enjoying, I love doing everything, I love life, and that child in me is always alive. So I'm childish at sometimes, and I'd be crazy, and that's why I chose this character. I truly admire Geet, and I believe that I'm the real life Geet. So yeah, I think I did a great job at recreating Geet, and you guys tell me how was the recreation of me being Geet in the comments down below, and I'll be waiting for your reviews, and I'll show you guys the whole outfit.
आपको बहुत पसंद करती हूँ।
बहुत, मैं अपनी फेवरेट हूँ.
Hello everyone. So today I'll be recreating Tarika look from Angrezi Medium, and she has wore really simple clothes throughout the movie, but there was this scene where she has to go to London, and at the airport she wore a denim jacket and a printed top, and I had kind of similar clothes, so I am recreating that. So hello friends, as you can see, I'm done recreating Tarika's look, and I have put on these specs which she wore in most of the scenes, and I borrowed these from my mother. I wore this blue denim jacket and this printed top, plus green color, olive like green color joggers, because I didn't have a pant with that color. So yeah. Okay, and it's time for the dialogue. आदत डाल रही हूँ. इसमें हंसने की बात नहीं है, टेस्ट डेवलप करने की बात है. और वैसे भी जो मेरे लंदन के कॉलेज के फ्रेंड्स होंगे वो कहेंगे कि वोडका के शॉट्स लो, इंडिया की नाक नहीं करनी चाहिए ना.
So the actress that I decided to recreate was Deepika Padukone, and the movie that I decided to pick a look from was Piku. So let me quickly show you guys the outfit and let's get ready. Okay guys, so this is the kurta that I'll be wearing, as she's also wearing a black kurta in the movie and in the scene that I'll be recreating, and this is the stole that I'll be wearing, and down I'll be wearing this patiala, as I don't have a red patiala to match, but I guess this will be very close to the look, so let's get ready. Okay guys, so I'm finally done getting ready, and I love how this entire look has turned out to be. So this is what I could actually finally work with, and I know she's wearing red pajamas and a red dupatta, but I don't have a red pajama or a red patiala or a red dupatta at all, so I did a little contrast, and I still love how it's turned out to be. So yes, I guess it's time for me to change my makeup and shoot the dialogue, and let's see how everything turns out. So yeah, semi-liquid motion first, then 2 days of constipation. What should I do? ये कोई मैसेज होता है ऑफिस में देने के लिए?
And it is from Dear Zindagi, Alia Bhatt, Kiara, and I chose this character because this character is very personal and dear to me, and I am not a great fan of Bollywood, but this is one of the movies that really represents who I am and represents
all the problems that I face in my real life. So yeah, I have her clothes on, and let's see how I have recreated the picture, and then you can comment down below. So guys, I'm gonna say one of the favorite dialogues that I think is very out there is जब हम अपने आप को समझ लेते हैं तो दूसरे क्या समझते हैं, it doesn't matter, not at all. Yeah.
Hi! So I am back, and as you already know, we're trying to recreate scenes from Hollywood or Bollywood movies. So what I've thought of is I'll try to become Naina from Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. Now I have my dress options right behind me, and I think I can pull the look off because I'm not very good at makeup, and she has a very simplistic look throughout the movie, a very natural, a very simplistic look. So let's see how that turns out to be, and I'll see you as soon as I'm done with my hair and my makeup. वो तो होगा ही ढांसू, पर अगर हम चले गए तो ये सॉलिड सनसेट मिस हो जाएगा ना. कुछ भी ट्राई करो बनी, लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ तो छूटेगा ही. उससे बेहतर है अब जहाँ पे है उसी का मज़ा लेते हैं. I hope you had lots of fun while watching the video because we had a ball while we were recreating it for you. Make sure you like, share and subscribe this video. Make sure you comment in the comment section below and ring the bell icon so that you're notified every time we're here. And don't forget to follow us on all of our social media handles. The links to them are right there in the description box. That's it for this video. The Cough Fam will see you next week. Bye bye. Love.